Let's make some elotes. We're using today some B&B charcoal in the Weber kettle. That's B&B lump charcoal. And we have some sweet and sassy jerk, some hot and spicy jerk, and some Booyah. We got our MAYO, we got our Cojito cheese, and we're gonna go ahead and get our corns ready for roasting. So you want to roast these straight over the coals, and this would probably take about 10 minutes. Crumble your Cojito cheese, mix in some cilantro, and that's for the finishing. Now you're gonna dump your charcoal out in the kettle, and as I said, it's B&B lump charcoal. Butter your corn generously. Look at that, that's some delicious homemade garlic butter. And you want to roast your corn. And after you get it roasted on all sides, you can take it back out, get your MAYO mixture, and cover that corn, and then you'll roll it in the Cojito cheese mixture. Look at all that deliciousness. Check out the recipe below and click the link in bio to find out where you can find the reggae spice.